Right, so we got here to a, a smaller hotel. Is a very unique hotel I'm in. Everything just classic, old school. Yeah, it's a super unique hotel. So I'm gonna take you guys go out and walk around to see what's going on. Yeah, it's a really artsy. Mailbox. Nein, Mailbox. Ja, also wenn wir die Messeschluss sind, dann ist das Blüten. They got everything set up. Yeah, they got arts all over. Yeah. Now it's got a little ice machine. I think I saw another video on this, and I think it's mentioned that the artists live here too, or the artists. Yeah, I love unique places like this. Is Yeah, is that's my guy right there. He's showing at a room. Yeah, it's he got this really classic feel, like a barber area. Yeah, I had never seen one place like this. They have laundry area. Yeah, no, it's pretty unique, but I'm about to go on a mission. Move the camera around so everybody get dizzy. This is the bathroom area. Huh. Yeah, I really like this place. It's a nice and quiet because after being in Pattaya and oh shit, let me find my way out. After being in Pattaya, I tried Pattaya is busy, so now I'm probably staying in a little nice, quiet, quiet place. We got a little kitchen area. A place that you can just kick back and chill. Yeah, you guys got to see the front of this building though. Coming in here. Here's the entry. A little coffee. How you doing? They got a little coffee place. Yeah, I'm not sure what's over there. Sawadee up. Yeah. I'll be speaking to anybody, everybody. Now it comes out in a little alley. That's the name of the hotel. I'm gonna butcher it, so I'm not even gonna try it. Got like a little Thai restaurant here. Oh, wait, did I just say Thai restaurant? Of course, it's Thai restaurant. I mean Thailand. What the hell am I talking about? Look at that tuk-tuk. Look at the pigeon. No, just kidding. Let's go find something else interesting around here. You could never go wrong in Thailand. We got restaurants around here. Food court fried chicken. I gotta come try this. And there you go, 7-Eleven, my hood. So look like I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's a school bus. Just maybe it's a city bus. Everybody's coming out of it. There's water across. There's like one of those canal across the street there. But let me walk down this way to see what's going on. It's not as busy as Bangkok. Oh, wait a minute, I'm in Bangkok, but it's not as busy as like Sukhumvit area. If I'm saying it right. It's pretty quiet by comparison. Pattaya is probably the most, a lot of people. But I think downtown Bangkok is probably thinking, but this is like the old town. It's considered an old town. There's a little alley. I think it's like it looks like it's a Hmong pattern, or Hmong or Mian clothing. Yeah, I made it all the way to the corner. Like a restaurant. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thailand is, I mean, you can go anywhere in Thailand, to be honest with you. There will never be shortage of food, in transportation, or just anybody to help you get anywhere in Thailand. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.